body stealing covers. I like to drink to myself, so I'ma have another no. I don't need it.
Hi everyone, my name is Chelsie Jessika, and today I'll be doing a simple and fresh makeup look. And one of the main reasons why I wanted to do this was because I have a few new products that I would love to show you guys and actually try on camera. And also just, I've been loving this type of look lately where it's just simple, fresh, and very glowy, I guess you want to say. But yeah, so I've just been feeling this look lately, and I decided to just sit down in front of the camera and show you guys how I do it. So before we get started, make sure you give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, as well as follow me on all my social media, and let's get started. So as you can tell, I already have my brows done, and I usually do them off camera because they take me the longest, but I do have videos specifically for my brow routine, so if you'd like to see that, then be sure to check that out up in the corner. But anyways, I've prepped my face with moisturizer, and the next thing I'm gonna go into is foundation. And like I said, this look is super easy and simple, and it's just honestly for those like who are on the go but still want to look, you know, put together. So the foundation that I'll be using is the brand new Anastasia Beverly Hills Luminous Foundation, and I'm in the shade 300C. And I actually just did a first impressions and kind of like a review on the foundations as well as the setting powders. So if you'd like to check that out, I'll link that as well. So the first thing we're gonna do is just foundation. And normally I like to go in like step by step. So I like to do one pump first and then a second one if I do need it. So I'm just gonna do one pump. And then what I like to do is I just like to dot it all over my face. That way I know that I'm getting like even coverage and that I'm putting on product evenly. And then I'll be blending that in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills A30 Kabuki brush. And this brush is so soft. I really like it. And it honestly blends this foundation really well, so I don't have a need to go in with a sponge after. So we're just gonna buff that into the skin. And you can already see the luminosity that the foundation gives, which is exactly, you know, what it's supposed to do. And it's just so pretty. I absolutely love the finish of this foundation. I think this is honestly really nice for people with dry skin like me, because it really brings out a nice supple skin look. And I don't know, it just really brings out your best skin, if that makes sense. So it kind of looks like your skin but better. So you want to make sure to blend down the neck so that it doesn't look weird, and just to make sure that everything is even. So I also really like this foundation because it's super lightweight, and it's not like heavy full coverage, which I really like, especially during the summer where it's really hot. But you can build the coverage a little bit, and I usually do that with another pump. I'll do a second pump and then put it all over my face. As you can see, this brush really blends the foundation really well. There's no streak marks or any like skipping. So lately I've been skipping concealer because, like I said, this is gonna be like a super simple, easy, quick look. But also because I just wanted to, rather than like hide imperfections, I just, you know, just want to cover up what I need to, or kind of just bring my skin back to life rather than hide. So I'm just gonna go in straight in with the setting powder, and I'm gonna be using the brand new Anastasia Beverly Hills loose setting powder, and this is in the shade Translucent. I already have some on the cap, so I'm just gonna take the A20 brush and I'm gonna basically distribute it all over the brush. and then lightly dust it all over the face. And I don't like to go too heavy on the powder as well, because we don't want to cover up that like luminosity that the foundation is giving. So I just really go with a light hand, and you can still see there's a really nice natural type of glow going on still, even with the powder. Next, I'll be going in with the Dewy Set setting spray. And while the setting spray is setting, I'm going to go in with the new Anastasia Beverly Hills liquid liner, just right here. And I'm going to do a very thin line. I'm not sure if I'm going to wing it, but we'll wing it. So I'm just going to swirl a little bit to get the excess off, and then go in. I'll wing it a little bit. Alright, and then I'm gonna curl my lashes and put on some mascara. And for mascara, I'm just gonna be using the Maybelline Mega Plush mascara. And I normally use this for natural looks, and it still really gives me a nice length and thickness to my lashes, but I do kind of have to layer it on a little bit more. Next, we're going to go in with some blush, and here I'm using the NYX Sweet Cheeks blush palette, and I wanted to use this one because it has a really nice peach color, which is one of my favorite colors in the palette. And I don't know, it always reminds me of like summer and bright and fun, so I like to go in with peach blushes, especially for like natural looks. And I also like to put some on the tip of my nose, just to add cuteness. Alright, so next for my favorite part is highlighter, and we'll be using the two new loose highlighters from Anastasia Beverly Hills, and there is Vegas and then Peach Fizz, and I'm going to use Vegas for the main highlighter, and I just like to tap some on the lid so that way I don't put too much. And for the brush, I'm going to be using the A23 brush, and I'm going to lightly go right over the high points of the cheeks. And this is probably one of my favorite highlighters currently, because it's gold, but it's like a really nice light yellow gold, so it's not too much of a contrast from my skin tone. Next, I'm going to be going in with Peach Fizz, and I'm going to use this as a inner corner highlight just to add a nice interesting pop of color. So I've never used this color as a inner corner highlight, but I actually really like how it's looking. It has a really nice shift from like pink to peach, but it's still on the lighter side, so it could still pull off as an inner corner highlight. And last but not least is lips, and I'll be using one of my favorite lipsticks currently that I use pretty much every day that I wear makeup, and I think it's really perfect for this look. It's the MAC Powder Kiss lipstick, and this is in the shade Sultry Move, and I love this shade, and I also love the formula. It is so good, and it's so weird to me. Like, it's a matte, but then it's very moisturizing, so I'm honestly like thinking about picking up a couple more because they're just that good. So what I like to do with this type of lipstick and this type of look is I kind of just like dab it on and then press my lips together, and then I like to take my finger and just kind of feather it out kind of make it look more of like a stain. Ah, that lip color is so pretty. Anyways, that guys completes the look. I hope you guys enjoyed sitting down and doing your makeup with me. And what do you guys think of this look? It's super simple and super easy, and I feel like you can definitely like do a lot with this look. Like you can wear it on a day-to-day basis, or you can, I would go out with this look personally, because you still got a little pop of color, and I think it's really cute for the summertime. It's almost the end of summer, like it's August. That's crazy. But anyways, thank you guys so much for watching, and if you like what you saw, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And if you like me, then follow me on all my social media, which will be linked down below. And I hope you guys have a wonderful day, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye!
I like the bed to myself. Nobody stealing covers. I like to drink to myself. So I'ma have another no. I don't need a hand to hold.